Did you know that a single Rolls-Royce car can have more than 30,000 meticulously hand-assembled parts? And it costs more than some small islands. Stay tuned to find out. Today we're taking you on a ride through opulence and extravagance as we explore the 11 most expensive Rolls-Royce luxury cars ever produced. From classic icons to cutting-edge innovations, these automobiles redefine the meaning of luxury. So, fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this journey through the world of Rolls-Royce. Number 11. Rolls-Royce Dawn Silver Bullet Collection. Limited to just 50 units, this luxurious masterpiece is inspired by the stylish roadsters of the Roaring '20s. The Dawn Silver Bullet Collection starts at $450,000, making it the perfect Oceanside Cruiser. This remarkable vehicle offers a blend of speed, elegance, and exclusivity. It is powered by a 6.6-liter turbocharged V12 engine, generating an impressive 563 horsepower. Now, the interior of the Dawn Silver Bullet features an open-pore carbon fiber fascia and a quilted transmission tunnel. The rear seat cowls are separated by a central spine that runs into the cockpit, ensuring a level of luxury and exclusivity that is second to none. Number 10. Rolls-Royce Specter. This is a groundbreaking luxury electric car set to launch in 2023 with a starting price of $460,000. The Specter is a pivotal moment in the history of Rolls-Royce. It is a definitive statement of how perfectly the brand adapts to electrification. Under the hood, it boasts a dual-motor electric powertrain, delivering 577 horsepower and a 664 pound-feet of torque. This allows the Specter to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds. The Specter shares a platform with the Phantom, offering a seamless transition into the world of electric luxury. It is a car that not only exudes sophistication, but is also environmentally conscious. Number 9. 2024 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Originally introduced in 2009, this model is designed to compete with other luxury offerings that come in at a lower price point than the Phantom. Priced at approximately $500,000, the Ghost lives up to the Rolls-Royce brand's uncompromising luxury. It is powered by a potent V12 engine, delivering seemingly endless power. Now, the cabin is decked out with the finest leathers, fabrics, and metals, offering an unparalleled level of opulence. Now, what sets the 2024 Ghost apart is its impressive acceleration, capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. Now, this car offers a peerless ride, thanks to its standard adaptive suspension, which offers a road-scanning camera to anticipate and compensate for potholes, ensuring a smooth and comfortable journey. Number 8. 2024 Rolls-Royce Phantom. This iconic model has been a symbol of automotive extravagance since its introduction in 1925. Priced at an estimated $560,000, the Phantom is one of the most enduring names in Rolls-Royce history. Now, the 2024 Phantom is powered by a twin-turbo V12 engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Phantoms have long been the largest and most luxurious cars in Rolls-Royce's catalog. In certain eras, the company would only sell Phantoms to its most distinguished clients, highlighting the exclusivity of this iconic vehicle. Number 7. Rolls-Royce Phantom Drophead Coupe. A true symbol of open-top luxury first introduced in 2007. In 2015, it held the title of the most expensive Rolls-Royce model at $600,000. The Drophead Coupe is the ultimate baller's car, combining comfort, luxury, and endless customization options. Now, what sets this model apart is its convertible experience, allowing you to enjoy the open air with the utmost style. It is designed for those who appreciate the finer things in life and desire a car that is as unique as they are. Number 6. Rolls-Royce Phantom 300 Stretch Limo. This vehicle is the epitome of automotive artistry. Starting price at $900,000, the Phantom 300 Stretch Limo offers an unparalleled experience. It is equipped with top-of-the-line infotainment systems and an array of tech features to keep you entertained on the road. Under the hood, you will find a 563 horsepower, 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, ensuring that you're not just traveling in style, but also with ample power at your disposal. If you're looking to impress or treat yourself to a one-of-a-kind experience, the Phantom 300 is the Rolls-Royce for you. Number 5. Armored Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This model redefines what it means to combine luxury and security. Priced at approximately $1.1 million, the Armored Cullinan offers unrivaled comfort and safety for elite individuals. The car appears standard to the naked eye, but it has been meticulously fortified to ensure maximum security. Now inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of tranquility and security. Passengers are surrounded by the finest materials, while the armored plating ensures their safety in any situation. The interior can be customized to the owner's exacting specifications, providing a truly bespoke experience. Number 4. Rolls-Royce Phantom Hyperion. This remarkable model is priced at $4 million and is a unique work of art. The Phantom Hyperion is based on the Phantom Drophead Coupe, but features special bodywork from Pininfarina, an Italian design firm and coach builder. The body panels are constructed from carbon fiber, resulting in a unique and lightweight design. Now, the exterior showcases new headlights, a slightly inclined grille, and a shorter tail, making the Phantom Hyperion stand out among luxury cars. It is a true masterpiece that caters to those who demand the best in terms of design and craftsmanship. Number 3. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. This extraordinary luxury car is unlike any other. Priced at a staggering $13 million. Inspired by the coach building of the 1930s, this Sweptail was commissioned by a single buyer in 2013. It is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, producing 453 horsepower. The history of Rolls-Royce as the world's leading coach builder is at the very core of its identity, and the Sweptail is a one-of-a-kind luxury car designed to meet the wishes of a single buyer. It represents the pinnacle of individuality and luxury, showcasing the very best that Rolls-Royce has to offer. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. The world's most expensive street-legal car, priced at a jaw-dropping $30 million. With its yacht-inspired design, the Boat Tail is a true masterpiece. The exterior is two-toned, and the finishing is of the highest quality. The interior boasts a champagne fridge, a hosting suite, and even a built-in sun umbrella for those perfect moments. The Boat Tail is a celebration of luxury, design, and craftsmanship. It is a true work of art that redefines what is possible in the world of luxury automobiles. This car is not just a mode of transportation, it is a statement of style and taste. Lastly, at number 1, Rolls-Royce Drop Tail. The world's newest and most expensive car, with an estimated price exceeding $32 million. The Drop Tail is said to be offered in 4 different variations, each catering to unique preferences. While only 2 variations are currently available, the potential for customization is nearly limitless. The Rolls-Royce Drop Tail represents the epitome of luxury, setting a new standard for the world's most discerning buyers. It offers uncompromised luxury, cutting-edge technology, and unprecedented customization options. And there you have it, our exploration of the 11 most expensive Rolls-Royce luxury cars. These cars represent the ultimate in opulence and craftsmanship, each offering a unique blend of design and performance. Now, which one has captured your heart? Let us know in the comments below. If you liked our content and would like to see more of these amazing luxuries, please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can be notified of our next epic video.